This garden light has no sensor, no switch. Then how does it know when to come on? While the garden light has no sensor or switch, it works around this by some very clever engineering that we'll see if we just crack it open. Inside, we see a solar cell, an LED, an integrated circuit, a resistor, and a battery. Normally in garden lights, you'll also find an inductor that allows the battery, which produces about 1.2 volts, to be able to produce a higher voltage of about 3 to 5 volts, which is capable of lighting the LED. But in this case, there's a very clever workaround in this integrated circuit. This integrated circuit actually has something like an inductor inside of it that allows it to boost the 1.3 volts up to something high enough to light the LED.
Here is the full circuit. The solar panel charges the battery during the day and also tells the chip to keep the LED off. The YX805 is the controller chip. It watches the solar panel, and when sunlight stops, it boosts the battery's voltage so the LED can light up. The resistor here controls the current so the LED doesn't draw too much power. At night, the battery drives the LED through the chip, and in the morning, the solar panel takes over again. That's the entire cycle.
If you found this video interesting, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for what I got planned for the future.